Hello everyone, welcome to my food channel. This is Anakha Koka, and in this today video I'll be showing you something quick, easy, simple breakfast or evening snacker recipe, that is sweet corn oats cheela. It's a combination of sweet corn, oats and of course the chickpea flour or the besan. Apart from being lip smacking, this is also very healthy and ideal for kids for their breakfast, or even you can have it for yourself. So let's see how to make this particular recipe, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Let's see how to make this particular recipe. So let's see how to make sweet corn oats cheela, or you can also call this as a vegetarian omelette. Very good, a very healthy recipe. So let's see how to make this. We have to take a bowl of boiled sweet corn. I'm taking a blender. Add this boiled sweet corn. Make it a paste. The paste is done. Now we'll take this into a bowl. Add this sweet corn paste. Next, add green chilies, finely chopped. Add chopped onion. Turmeric, roasted oats powder, chickpea flour or besan, salt, coriander leaves, jeera. Mix this well. Add little water. I'm adding more little water. It should be like dosa batter, not too loose, not too thick. Rest this for 5 to 10 minutes. Now this batter has been resting for 10 minutes. Now we'll do pancakes with this. For this, heat a tawa. I'm using little ghee. The pan is hot enough. this. So here the sweet corn oats cheela is ready and it's a perfect breakfast. So do try it, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.